Hey guys, my name is Anil Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start the screen video. So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you the routine of day 253 of the 15th August 2024 of the Independence Day. Before going to the start today's routine video, I just only wanted to apologize you that from the last 3 to 4 videos I'm doing some mistake that I'm telling to you the wrong day of the routine, sorry, wrong day. Like this is the today this video is about to going to be the day 253, but by the way this is the actual and this is the real, and it is a right day 253. But in the previous from here in the previous video, like day 52, day 51, day 50, day 249, you get something different. If I say you, if I am telling that day 50, then that video is about the routine of day 51. If I am telling to you day 49, then that video is about the routine of day 50. The thing is, it just only happen this mistake only because happen just because of I have wrote down in 2 videos, day 1 for sorry day 248 to day 248. I have wrote 2 times in a video. Like I have uploaded, suppose that I have uploaded 2 videos, first video this, first video this. So both the videos caption was like that, day 248, day 248. What I have to do, day 248, and this is day 249. I wrote day 248. That's why my sequence break, and after day 248, day 248, and the next video, the day 249, day 250, day 251. But day 250, day 249, day 248, day 248. This is my mistake. This is my mistake what I had done. So this is the day 248. So in this video I have to actually wrote down the day 249, but I just by mistake have wrote down day 248, and the next video will start from day 49, day 249. So the sequence is the bottom video, day 248, 249, 250, 251, 252. But guys, one thing is good about that, but I have already the mistake you will easily saw in the caption in the bottom part of the video easily. And the routine is about the actual day. There is no mistake in routine, that like what I had done that day, there is no mistake. I have done the actual thing, but only the routine day, like day 249, I wrote down the caption. So believe in caption. Just by mistake I have told you that I have done this. No, sorry, why I'm using nahi, it's an Hindi word. Basically the what I had done throughout the whole day, that is correct, but the day I've told you that this video is about the day 249. So last 3 or 4 days videos, day something different, okay. But now I hope that you already understand what actually I'm trying to tell you. So yeah, so let's start registering videos. So basically guys, today is the day. Which day is it? Today is the Independence Day, okay. So yeah, it's a very good thing that yeah. So I'm gonna tell you basically guys, today I not went outside the home. I just only went for the bathroom. Otherwise I'm not, I didn't went to the outside the home. Basically it's my now usual ways. I don't go outside the room. Basically this is a thing which I actually do nowadays, and it's being like a routine that from weeks of weeks happens. I don't go outside the like market side, I don't go. And yeah, this is the thing which I actually feels very bad, and I have to do really very take a a strict action regarding my all the routines what I am doing actually. And I know that this will harm me in future, so I have to do something good for that. So yeah, so basically guys, we have completed 4 means 15 seconds, but let's start screen video, okay. So yeah, so basically guys, today I woke up it around, I think that between 8 to 9, between 8 to 9 a.m, between, maybe I don't know exactly about it. I woke up, I brought my clothes, I went to the ground floor, and I didn't done too much thing. I just washed my mouth, and after that I have taken the bath, and after that I wore the clothes, and after that I worshipped it a very proper manner. And I was at the ground floor on that time. After that I came to the first floor and I started attending the live class. And after that my mother came for she brought for me a poha I don't know what we call poha in English, but I'll translate very soon. So let me write it here. I think that it's something new, poha. Okay, so yeah, yeah, I wrote it. I wrote it down here. Okay, so. Hmm. So basically, guys, after that I ate and I also attended the live class. After attending the class, I just only wanted to take rest. And after that, I didn't do much thing. Yeah, I went to the ground floor. After that, I came to the first floor, and this is the thing which was actually happened. And at the time of afternoon, I went to the ground floor and I watched the TV and I relaxed at the ground floor and. Yeah, I didn't do too much thing. I just I was at ground floor, and after that I didn't do too much thing. I was just trying to do like this work, and after that I came first floor again. I went to the ground floor and my mother brought food for me. After that I ate food, and yeah guys, basically this is a thing which was actually happened on that time. And basically one thing I also ate when I was at ground floor, I ate, my sister cooked something like something from potato. I don't know the exact name of that. I ate, and that was really a very crunchy and very good in taste. So after that I didn't do much thing. As I already told you that till my mother brought food for me. After I went to the ground floor. On that time my mother brought food for me and I ate, and yeah, and this is the thing which was actually happened. After that I didn't do much thing. I was just doing to first floor to ground floor, ground floor to first floor. Basically this is the thing which was actually happened. And at the time of first floor I came, and yeah, basically, and after that I ate golgappa. I don't know what we call golgappa in English, but it seems like very good if I tell this golgappa in Hindi, and it seems like giving some experience. It's like a very good if I know. So let me clear it again. If suppose that I likes to speak golgappa in Hindi in this video, so first I need to learn what we call in English. After that I have the right to speak in Hindi. So basically I know that what we call golgappa in English, that is water balls. I think so. I listened. I think maybe I've listened this water balls, and yeah. So basically, guys, this is the thing which was actually happened. After that, I didn't do too much thing. I went to the ground floor, and after that, I ate food. What I ate today? I ate today pointed guard, fried pointed guard, plus fried ladyfinger, plus lentils or pulses. I don't know what we call. Which pulse was that actually? I ate, and yeah, with rice. I ate, and after that I didn't do much thing. I went to the first floor, and I went to the again. After that I went to the bathroom, and after that I came home, and after that I came to the first floor, and after that I just taking the relax, and after that I started shooting the video. So basically, this is the thing which was actually happened today. I hope you'll understand till here. If you really understand till here, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuously manner. And one thing I just only wanted to request you, that if you find any kind of a mistake, any kind of error or grammatical error, so you can kindly please tell me in the comment section, so I will see there, and after that I will really improve my English speaking skills, and I will really appreciate you that you are trying to help me. So without having the further delay, let's start daily 5 or 10 words vocabulary learning. But today in this video I'm going to tell you only learn 5 words. Okay, so yeah, so let me find the words. um, yeah, our first word is prompt. Prompt means, guys, tatpar. क्या तुम तत्पर हो? Are you in prompt? Why are you in prompt, dude? Why are you prompt in, dude? Sorry, what's happening? Why are you in prompt, dude? Why are you in prompt, dude? What do you actually want, sir? I just only wanted to know so that I can solve. Maybe I can solve your issue. So kindly please tell me so that I can help you. Our second word is, guys, dictating. Dictating means, guys, hukm. तुम मुझे हुक्म नहीं दे सकते. You can't dictating me. I think that it's have some error, like that the dictating ing is coming. So it seems like that in a continuous manner. So I have some doubt regarding this example. So let me circle it so that I can check it very soon. Shout. Shout means, guys, चिल्लाना. तुम क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो? चिल्लाने की वजह से तुम्हारा एनर्जी वेस्ट हो रहा है अगर तुम फालतू की बातें कर रहे हो। वाई आर यू साउटिंग? जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ साउटिंग योर एनर्जी इज वेस्टिंग इफ you are doing any rubbish talk, rubbishing sound, rubbish out. Okay, if you are speaking any disgusting topic, then it seems like you are wasting your energy. But a part of this, if you are doing something good for that, then it will be nice. Our fourth word is became. Became means guys, बन गया. तुम क्या बन गए? What you became? Yeah. Hatred means घृणा. तुम्हें उससे इतनी घृणा क्यों है? Why are you have too much hatred about him? Sorry. तुम्हें उससे इतनी घृणा क्यों है? Why are you have too much hatred to him? Okay. So yeah guys, so basically this is a thing which was actually happened, and that's the thing which I actually learned today, and I have already told you what's actually happened in this video. So guys, I think that it is enough for today. So for today guys, I think that it is enough for today. So let's end the video guys. See you. Bye bye.